chapter, Sannyasa Yoga, 7th verse.
योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते.
योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते. The translation is, the self of the one who has experienced intense action becomes intensely pure, surpasses the natural temperament, conquers the senses, whose essence is the essence of all life forms, even though performing does not get polluted or defiled. Beautiful sutra. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is emphasizing the all-purifying effect of intense action. We all have no problem in believing the effect of intense unclutching or meditation. We don't have much complication about it. We don't have much problem to trust. Meditation purifies us, puja purifies us, yoga purifies us. But all of us have a problem in trusting intense action also purifies us. Why? Because intense action has been demanded always from you only by the people who are trying to exploit you. From the young age, who are all the people who are demanding the intense action from you? You don't like any one of them. Your boss, your wife, whoever expects intense action from you, you don't like any one of them. That is why when Master uses the same words, intense action, you start hating them. No. This fellow is also in the same mold. You also enter into the same pattern, thinking that he is also trying to exploit you. Krishna does not need to exploit you. He is the greatest sacrificer. He is very clear. Yoga yukta vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyaha sarva bhutatma bhutatma kurvannapi na lipyate. The self of the one who has experienced intense action becomes intensely pure, surpasses the natural temperament, conquers the senses, whose essence is the essence of all life forms, even though performing does not get polluted or defiled. Yoga yuktaha vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyaha. What a beautiful expression. When you experience intense action, your very being becomes pure and it surpasses all the natural patterns, conquers the senses, whose essence is essence of all life forms, even though performing does not get polluted or defiled. Please understand. Bhagavan gives you the assurance. Your whole self becomes intensely pure and you conquer all the senses. Your essence becomes the essence of all life forms, even though performing does not get polluted or defiled. Bhagavan answers the well-known fears seekers carry. If I become pure and enlightened, will I be able to run my life? Bhagavan is very clear. Your action does not get polluted or defiled. Only your being becomes pure. Only your being becomes pure. The self of the one who has experienced intense action becomes intensely pure. It surpasses the natural temperament, conquers the senses, whose essence is the essence of all life. Even though performing does not get polluted or defiled. Bhagavan is assuring us by giving three statements. One, go on, enjoy the intense action. Second, the intense action purifies yourself intensely. Third, by the intense action, all the natural temperament is purified. You surpass all the natural temperaments. You conquer all the senses. Fourth, by you purifying yourself, conquering all the senses, you don't get polluted or defiled. You neither get polluted nor defiled. So continue the lifestyle of intense action. Continue to have the lifestyle of intense action. That's the essence of this verse. I bless you all, let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दगन्धसञ्चारं सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तं वन्दे ज्ञानालयं नाथं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.